Kids looked so cute with their props. Our parents helped us in making the props for this act. Thank you so much, parents. Before our next event, I would like to read a poem to all of you. The poem talks about kindness, prayer, love, and sadness. It is from a child to his parents. When you thought I wasn't looking, when you thought I wasn't looking, I saw you hang my first painting on the refrigerator, and I wanted to paint another one. When you thought I wasn't looking, I saw you feed a stray cat, and I thought it was good to be kind to animals. When you thought I wasn't looking, I saw you make my favorite cake, and I knew that little things are special things. When you thought I wasn't looking, I heard you say a prayer, and I believed there is a God I could always talk to. When you thought I wasn't looking, I felt you kiss me goodnight, and I felt loved. When you thought I wasn't looking, I saw tears come from your eyes, and I learned that sometimes things hurt, but it's all right to cry. When you thought I wasn't looking, I looked, and I wanted to say thanks for all the things I saw when you thought I wasn't looking. This means that children observe and learn from their surroundings, and we as adults can make a big difference to their lives. That was indeed a touching poem. Let me now take you to our young show actors of Jr.KG B. They are here to display something they learned during their bird's theme. Seeing, being, and creating the bird world here is what our tiny tots of Jr.KG are displaying. Children are always fascinated with our winged friends. Primary reason being they are able to do something which human beings can't: fly. There are a lot of birds whose chirping catches the attention of children, right from the most common crow, quail, to the exotic ones like eagle and vultures. Our young toddlers have learned about different birds, their features, habitats, and different rhymes. Now let's take a peep into their learning.
Birds have big and small beak, eat worms and grain and insects. Birds have feathers and wings. Wings help birds to fly. Birds have 2 feet. They stand, hop, and swim. Birds lay eggs in the nest. Birds use grass and twigs to fill the nest. Baby birds hatch from eggs. The baby of duck is called a duckling. The baby of hen, crow, hummingbird, and umbrella bird is called a chick. Sing the song.
out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of those little ducks came back. Mother duck, she went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of those little ducks came back.
Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
Parents request you not to take flash photography. That was indeed a colorful and wonderfully presented act by our tiny